That's too nice food for Lola. Lolo, wanna check? Come on, come on. Sit there, Lolo. Sit. Let's see. How is it? Do you like it? Oh, nice. So we got everything here. We got a rice, the sweet potato, we got a spinach, and the special lamb. You like it, huh? You have to feed you, huh? Like that. Oh, look at that.